Welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. It's the 15th of February 2022. I am Oshunniyi, bringing you the weekly dose of blockchain news. Coming up, Belarus president legalizes crypto circulation. Binance smart chain, now BNB chain. NFT platform Cent stops some of its operations. Now let's get you updated on the crypto weekly news. Belarus President Alexander Lukashenko signs a decree of agreeing to support the legal circulation of cryptocurrency in the country. The signed document provides details on the process of seizing cryptocurrency from criminals by the government. Meanwhile, Binance smart chain rebrands to BNB chain. The announcement was made by the Binance smart chain earlier today, and the purpose of this rebranding is to create a link to the BNB token. The announcement stated that the BNB is now an acronym for Build and Build and not the Binance coin representation. This new structure will now focus on the Web3 platform and also walk into MetaFi, which is the combination of both Metaverse and DeFi. And finally, NFT platform Cent stopped some of its operations. Cent, an NFT platform responsible for minting Jack Dorsey's first tweet, has stopped NFT operations amidst reports of fake and illegal activity calls. In 2020, the team launched an NFT platform called Valuables to mint and auction iconic tweets. Cameron Hijazi, Cent's co-founder, told Reuters that the problem was a threefold. Firstly, the sale of unauthorized NFT copies. Secondly, the sale of stolen content converted into NFTs. And finally, the sale of NFT sets that look like securities. Kanese Serki, CEO of CryptoMon, told Cointelegraph that amongst first-time buyers, most of them will end up buying a fake. And when they find out about it, they will declare all NFTs scam. And that's bad for the industry. Serki shared that consumer protection laws may improve the situation and better education will prevent the industry from becoming a victim of fraud. And that's it for the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website cryptotvplus.com. Also follow us on our social media, Facebook and Twitter at Cryptotvplus to get daily info on our programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button. And just in case you have any questions regarding any of our news, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'm Oshunniyi. Until next time.